Nasabi mo na ba sa sarili mo to? Nang huli na ako, tumataas na ang value ng bahay at lupa.
Here's my honest take on this as a real estate agent and as a home buyer na minsan ring nagkaroon ng ganitong sentiments.
Hindi lang dapat guilt or fear of missing out ang maging dahilan mo sa pagbili ng bahay. Actually, some of us, this might be the greatest purchase that we will ever make. First time mo pa lang ito, so marami ka pang dapat i-consider. You don't need added pressure. Take your time to enjoy the process. Maaring panonood ng house tours, pag-aaral ng finances and budget, pag-research, and the joy of finding the new home that will really make you happy. Some of us, bata pa lang may pangarap na, mga dream house ba? Diba nga drawing pa natin sila? So I'm here to tell you na okay lang yan, hindi ka nang huli. We all have different journey and malamang hindi nakikita ng iba yung personal struggles mo. Hindi naman kailangan lahat minamadali. Believe in God's timing. What's meant for you will be given to you at the right time.